This is day 189 and today we are looking at chart display units. So the problem we are trying to solve is many users struggle to read their axes because the number is too long. Imagine if you have a billion, it's quite difficult for you to be able to quickly read it, especially when you are doing a presentation. So a go round to that problem is to add units on the side here and just put a 2-digit or a 3-digit number here, which is much easier to read. So here, as you can see, I have 50,000, 45,000, and so on, and it's in thousands. And I show here it's thousands, and here I just show 50, 45, 40, and so on. I don't show the full number. So how can you do that in a graph? As you can see, here is my chart with the axis on this side. So the first thing I'd want to do is to right-click and say Format Axis. And on Format Axis, I go here, right in the middle here, and say Display Units and pick up the display units I want to use. I want to use thousands. Then you can see now I can only see 2-digit numbers here. So depending on how big your number is, you might want to pick up millions or billions or trillions or whatever you want to pick up. I hope this video is going to help you in your charts and in displaying your charts with big numbers. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.